if you want to understand how you can get more suggested views on your videos, keep watching. I'm going to explain how I do it on all of my videos, making sure that my videos are always suggested. I know that there is always another video on the right hand side saying David's videos. I've got enough videos for the YouTube algorithm to suggest another video to you that is related to this one topic. If you're intrigued and want to know more how you can do this to your one channel to increase the amount of views, to increase the revenue, increase the amount of subscribers that you have, to really explode your channel, keep watching, because we're going to be going through how I do it for all of my videos. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to this video. My name's David Thorne and you are watching David's videos. Don't forget, obviously, to like, subscribe, share, and write any feedback or questions that you have or comments in the comment section down below. And naturally, don't forget to tap that bell button so you get notified when I release any new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. As a new content creator on YouTube, I can understand how difficult it is for you to think about how do I create great content and then how do I get multiple views? And once you've got multiple views, how can I get more views and how can I have it spread that YouTube search is showing my videos and that my videos are ranked higher? This is all super difficult things to understand in the beginning, but don't worry about it. There's people like me here to assist you to learn how you're gonna do it. Now, it's not difficult whatsoever. It's really simple. There are just a few steps that you've got to do to make sure that your video gets suggested whilst that person is watching a video. Now, it's either going to be, like I said already, that video is going to be on the right-hand side of your one video, or it can be below the video, or it will be displayed as a card at the end where YouTube is suggesting your video to the user to watch. It isn't difficult to do this, and I can promise you, you will be able to find that you can do it over the next days and weeks when you create new content. And if you do have content that is related to each other already, then you should be able to do it right now and get it going. It's really super simple, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do it. The first secret to getting videos suggested by YouTube is really simple, and not many YouTubers do it. They seem to think that they make one video, they take one topic, spend loads of time on it, and this is the only topic that they create, and they think that they want to get millions of views and it's going to go viral. It does work for some people, but you're a very small percentage of people that can actually be able to achieve this. Mr. Beast and PewDiePie, who's created thousands of videos, they know that they can have suggested videos continuously. Why? Because they have other videos that are related to the videos that they have created. The secret to getting more suggested videos is really super simple, and I'm going to tell you how right now. You make one video and upload it. You then make other videos that are related. This is the main video. This is the queen bee. This is the top video that I want to promote. And then you make 10 other videos that are all interlinked and relate to it in some form of way. So when the person watches this one video, it mentions lots of different topics, small topics in between that can then spring off in the other direction. So this one video doesn't want to be completely descriptive about things. It doesn't want to be totally informative. It wants to be very, very general, but it wants to be over 8 minutes long. So you then get audience retention, but you want to know that by the end of the video, the people are so interested in your channel that they see another video that is related to this one topic. This is all well and good. You might be thinking, I have to make like 11 videos or something in the beginning. No, you make one video where you think about key points where you can make other videos. And when you make video number 2, in that video, you try and do the same thing and veer off to like 10 other or 5 other topics, if you can do, that you can make other videos too. You then link or make links and cards to that main top video that you want to talk about. And whilst you're talking in the video, you keep mentioning other topics that are related to other videos that you have. You always need to be thinking multi-dimensionally. You need to be thinking that this video needs to be suggesting, recommending other content on your channel. And as you are doing that, you are telling your subscriber, your new subscriber, which hopefully that you get, what other content you've got on your platform. And you're also asking your viewers, what content should you be creating? Because they are the ones telling you. Once you've created these 11 videos, You can then work out which one of the video was more successful than the others. It can be that the one topic that you did create the video about was just the seed that grew the other videos, and one of these other videos might have been the key topic that you wanted to talk about. That's why I said that first video was just like 8-minute video long of key points. So the other videos are the most important thing, because it's more than likely that one of those key points is the most important thing that the people wanted to discuss. I have videos talking about whole different programming languages. There might be like 20 videos in a playlist, but only one of those videos is going to peak really high. You just can't work out in the beginning which video it is going to be. That's why you have to make all of these videos to see which one was the most popular. But as long as you stick to the same structure in all the videos, you will know that your pattern is the same, and it's all just based upon the videos that they liked. If you've got one top video, once you've got it, that then should then link to the other videos, and then try and find out what's the next layer of videos that you can create to make another group of videos that are suggestible. And as long as these videos can kind of interlink with this other playlist as well, so you know that once they've finished this playlist, they can link to this other playlist. Before you know it, you've got playlists being suggested to each other rather than just videos being suggested to each other. You want to have lots of playlists, because if people come on your channel and see playlists, they're already going to get suggested videos because you've already made it in a playlist, and YouTube knows this is in a playlist. Play the next video with autoplay. They are suggested videos. It's super simple to create videos that can be successful with suggested videos. You just need to have enough content that is related to that one topic. Now, if you have, like I said, a playlist of how to do something over, say, 10, 15 videos, I guarantee you are going to have suggested videos non-stop after this. You're also going to have high YouTube search because you've got lots of videos based about that one topic. And you're going to have lots of browse features because you're going to have a playlist and lots of videos. So it means that people are going to see that thumbnail with multiple different videos in it, and they're going to think, I want to watch this because it's a series. YouTube is all about binge watching, and it's about watch time. So if you can give the YouTube algorithm watch time, it will suggest your videos. If your videos have huge, high audience retention, say like a 20, 30, 40% retention rate on it, YouTube algorithm is going to be suggesting your videos constantly, as long as you have other videos that are related to it. And if you don't, it's all right, because you can jump on the back of another video that's successful, and once that's finished, if the YouTube algorithm cannot find any other videos based upon that topic on that one person's channel, it will find the best video to show up next, and that can be that it's your video. And once your video is displayed, you want to know that you get at least 2, 3, 4 video views out of that one user before they jump away to someone else. But that leaves you need to be intriguing, you need to be interesting, you need to keep audience retention, you need to keep that person on your one channel by recommending content throughout your video. Yes, you have YouTube search and browse features and cards and end cards and all sorts, but you also have a mouth that you can recommend to people which videos they should watch and how often you upload. That's by having subscribers, because subscribers will be notified when the videos come out. So don't just rely upon having suggested videos. You want to have a collection of all different types of videos. One that's getting found by browse, videos that are getting found by YouTube search, videos that are getting suggested all the time, external links as well, so Facebook and social media, etc. Then you also want playlists that are getting found, because if you've got playlists and you want videos that other people can add to their playlist to be suggesting for your one video. So you want other people, but you also try to want other websites to be able to link your videos, because it's giving the YouTube algorithm more information to tell them what type of videos you have, what your channel is about, and all the videos should somehow interact with each other. Now, that doesn't mean to say that you have to have only one niche. What you do need to have is on one niche, multiple videos that you upload about this. Now, what the better thing is to have a niche with multiple videos and then have many, many other niches that link to that one niche. And then you are going to have a continuous amount of suggested videos. People can visit your channel and just binge watch for days and weeks and months. I know I've done it on Casey Neistat. I used to travel every day on the train for an hour and a half, and all I used to do was watch Casey Neistat's videos. I mean, he has like 1,000, 2,000, I don't know how many videos he has, but you could just binge watch his videos, and you could just promise yourself, put autoplay on, and Casey Neistat videos would play continuously because he's got suggestible content. So, like I said, it's really simple to get suggestible content through the YouTube algorithm. All you've got to do is make sure you trigger the algorithm to like your videos. I don't mean like as in tap the thumbs up button. I mean that they want to know that these videos are getting huge audience retention and they are suggestible. Triggering the algorithm is the most important thing. You want the algorithm to be your friend. You don't want to be making content that is against the algorithm, that is not giving it keywords, is not giving it description, not mentioning the topic inside of your video. Remember, there is a computer analyzing your video when you upload it to work out, to try and guess what it's about, so it can suggest your video everywhere, and so it can match the titles and the keywords and the description and the thumbnail to your video and to the title, the search criteria that the user is entering. So you want to know that your video can relate to that other videos that the people are making. Now, if you do have a topic that you can't find any videos on the internet, well, that's really good because it means you're going to be ranked #1. But if no one's searching for that one topic, then it's going to be difficult for YouTube to suggest that to the user because no one searched for it before and it's an unknown topic. What you're going to do is try and ride a trend first of all to get other videos to suggest your video. You don't want to be ranking #1. Trying to rank #1 in the beginning is super difficult. What you want to do is have suggested videos that will sit after popular videos, and then if the user watches 2, 3, 4 videos of the most popular, you want to hope that your video gets suggested at one point. Now, it might not be ranked first on suggested videos, but you're going to have like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos on the right hand side of the screen if it's a desktop. And that is where your thumbnail and your title really comes into effect, because your video has been suggested. Now what you want to have is click-through rate. So this is impressions now on suggested videos. You want to know that your video gets clicked rather than the one that's ranked the highest, because it relates better to that one user. So your thumbnail and title wants to relate to the topic as well, or it needs to be eye-catching, intriguing, where the person thinks, I want to watch that video, rather than the video on someone's channel already. So there's lots of things to think about. Open up an incognito browser window and then search for something to do with your video, and click on someone else's video and keep watching videos until you find videos that suggest your video. And then you know which videos relate to you and which videos you're being suggested by. And then you find channels that the algorithm suggests your video to those users, and work out what their niche is. And if your niche matches it, see what their keywords are, see what their descriptions are, their content is, and try and match that person's content so you can be suggested. You're riding the trend of that one channel. And as you do that, find other channels that you can be suggested for by the YouTube algorithm. It's not difficult. I didn't say it's easy, right? But it's not difficult and everyone can do it. It just takes some hard work, right? Watch lots of YouTube videos and watch videos about the topic. Don't just watch your own videos and don't watch anyone else's. See how these people are doing it. See how many views they are getting, and see how many new videos that are being created. If there's one topic that's like the last video was created 4 years ago and no one else has created a video about it, you are going to be suggested pretty damn quickly, because it's a new video, and YouTube likes new videos as well because it's new content. It's always going to recommend new content before old content. But if your video doesn't have high audience retention after a day or week or a month or something, it will recommend the other videos with higher audience retention, because that is what the YouTube algorithm wants. It doesn't want multiple clicks. It wants people staying on the videos all the way through to the end, so it can display as many adverts as possible. So obviously you're watching all the way through to the end. You've got this far. I'm really appreciative that you have watched this far. Do me that one last favor now, because you have listened to me for 15 minutes. The like button, the dislike button, and write something in the comments down below just to tell me what you thought was good or bad about the video. Please do it for me. Otherwise, send me a direct email if you really want to. I hope that you liked this video. I'm guessing that you kind of did, because you got all the way through to 15 minutes. Maybe think about subscribing to my channel. I do lots of videos about programming, and I do other videos about other topics. I try and do various topics sometimes just to add a little bit of dynamicness to my channel. I obviously have lots of Borussia Dortmund videos as well, because I'm a super big fan of Borussia Dortmund. Don't be put off by some of the videos that I post, because like I said, I'm trying to make a broad amount of videos now, because I don't want to just be specific about programming, although that is what my channel is about. Anyway, if you don't want to subscribe, don't worry, just do me the favor and share this video, or like it, or whatever. Otherwise, I wish you a fantastic day, and I hope that you did enjoy this video, and I'll see you in any of the videos that are here right now that you might enjoy that are related to this one topic. And is there any suggested videos here from me? Is there one there now? Did it work? Write down in the comments below if it did work, just to let me know. Thanks then. Stay safe. Bye bye.